Okay, hello, welcome, hello. Good afternoon, everybody. Hello, how are you? How are you? Okay. Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Yeah. Welcome to our Facebook Live once a week only in Revival Clinic. Okay, today we will be having a very interesting topic. Welcome, everybody. Good afternoon. Okay. Yes. Today's topic is to tells you how to get beautiful skin. Everyone is welcome. Yeah, I believe everyone's would like to have beautiful skin, regardless you are a girl, you are a woman, you are a ladies, or even you are a guy. Yeah, you are an uncle. Okay, no problem. Okay, having a beautiful skin is crucial and important for everybody. Yeah, it's not saying this is just for ladies or for girls. Even though the pictures, okay, in the front page is given and to show beautiful skin, yeah, with a nice looking girl picture, but it doesn't mean this is just for girl. Uh, everyone is okay. Everyone is able to get beautiful skin if you know how. Okay, so our topic today is to tell everyone what is the pitfalls, what did you miss always, what are the mistakes, okay, and sometimes as a consumer, what did you miss out, or maybe you didn't know, yeah, when you're looking for the treatment for your beautiful skin, or when you're looking for something to beautify your skin. Okay, so today we will be talking general among all the related issues be regarding to beautiful skin. Okay, welcome again. Okay, thanks for joining our Facebook Live. I thank you for everyone who joined and share and tag to friends, regarding our Facebook Live. And I hope more people will be able to see our Facebook Live to benefit from the information given. Okay, so today we will be talking about how to get beautiful skin. Okay, the reason I give this topic is actually because there are many people, regardless girl or boy, when we are starting to get older or growing up, especially in teenage age, we are anyhow, as a human being, we do have this tendency to maintain or to sort of like keep our skin beautiful. Okay, you have that kind of desire. I think everyone do have. But the thing is, whenever we do have this desire to look for beautiful skin, so we will be exposing ourselves to a lot of informations through the social medias, websites. Last time our time was through the TV, through the posters, things like that. So we may have some sort of like image or understanding which influence a lot by these social medias and informations given to us. So are we getting the proper informations? Yeah, are we getting the right informations for ourselves? And are those informations and knowledge suitable or useful for your own skin or for your own condition? So this is the concern that we would like to look into, because if you are getting the wrong informations, or the information is right but it doesn't suit you, so that could be a wrong information for yourself. So that if you use it as a guide or to uh, look for treatment or look for ways to improve your skin problems, then you will probably getting into a trouble. Okay, I will say so because I say so because I do see many people in my practice in the daily basis having an issue on their skin, even worsen after a wrong usage of techniques into improving their skin, or those who have problems but they never thought that they can improve in such a good manner. Before this they was like looking for treatment that they talk or advertisement here, they promise so they saw this problem, this treatment is quite good. So then they use those treatment or those products, okay, that advertise, yeah, on internet, on TVs, on Facebook, on whatsoever social media. So those advertisements is influencing the person to try or to use the product, but eventually the person may not really benefits. And for the person, it may be like not realizing that actually they can get even better than that. Okay, so these are the issue I'm seeing daily. That's why I would like to have this opportunity to share with everyone, to have more proper informations and more sort of like proper understanding how to get a beautiful skin. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, thank you, good afternoon, yeah, to everyone who just joined us. Okay, we are going to start regarding our topic, and I welcome every one of you throughout the presentation. If you do have any questions or comments, yeah, I welcome every one of you to type in your questions and comment in our comments, okay, column there. Okay, so everyone, I think before we go and start on, I will be talking about a few main content about this, how to get a beautiful skin. First is like the idea of beautiful skin. What is the characters that is characterized or sort of like defining as a beautiful skin? What is a beautiful skin supposed to have? What does it look like? What does it feel so? Yeah. So this is the first. Then second, I will also give you some proper informations or exposures, sort of like understanding what is the beauty line. Meaning to say, if there is a if you look for treatment or services provided from a service from the beauty line, means beauty salon, what are their ability or job scope, okay, to handle what kind of common skin problems, yeah, under their ability. And how about if under a medical line, what will be the job scope or sort of like the treatment that the problems that we are I mean, as for myself, I'm in the medical line, so what is the skin problems that I commonly see and I handles, okay, compared to those common skin issue that usually handles by beauty salon or beauty line. So there are differences actually, and there are also a lot of overlapping. So that's why I would like to give all of us, I mean all of you, to have this proper understanding as a consumer. So if you do have this information, you probably know where to choose, where is the suitable place for you to look for advices, treatments, and so on. Yeah, and also basics to know about skin structure. At least you get to know your own skin in the basic concept, so that you understand roughly what is your skin situation on every daily basis. So what should you do and what should you don't do, yeah, so that you can give your skin the best care over the time. Okay, and what is the function of skin care also will be discussed here, because we are actually exposing to skincare almost like daily basis. Okay, if you are using skincare, okay, yeah, so what supposed to be a proper understanding of concepts of using the skincare, and there are some people who are not even using any single skincare. So are they right or are they wrong? If you are using too much of skincare, is it correct or is it beneficial or not really? Yeah, all those things we will be discussing, and I welcome every one of you for all the questions that you have. Okay, and then we're also talking about what are the technologies for skin beautifications, yeah, available in medical line, and also what, and after everything, I will be summing up, yeah, how to get beautiful skin with all the understanding and knowledge that you have after this. Okay, so let us begin. Thank you again for everyone who just joined us. I welcome every one of you to our Facebook Live on every Wednesday. I'm Dr. Jeff here from Revival Clinic to make you live beautifully. Okay, so first, to topic regarding our first content regarding our topics today is, what are the beautiful skin's characters? What kind of skin is characterized as beautiful? Okay, what kind of character? So if we look at this picture, okay, so you look at the ladies, yeah, the skin is shining, Yeah, so glowing and shining is one of the important point to have, while we are looking for a beautiful skin. Okay, so shining and glowing, is a key factor. Secondly is the skin texture or the skin texture should look firm, not saggy. So in this sense, it should be firm. So when even you are looking, not touching it, also you can feel that it's like toing toing, a kind of feeling. Yeah. And then number three is it should be even in color. Not necessarily saying must be fair, but if the color is even and glowing and it looks firm, all these three factors when it joins together, then the skin is beautiful. Okay, and it should not have any sort of like scarring, pores, holes, on top of the skin texture, so that it should have a smooth surface, and the smooth surface usually will give a better skin texture, appearance, and also it will have an evener color, and also the color, skin will be glower. So these are the factors. Okay, and then if you look at the person's, of course, the emotion behind the face, is important to also reflect a beautiful skin. Okay, so then the color reflections, there are certain areas is to be like shining on top of your cheek, nose, okay, chin, forehead. These are additional shining and highlights on the face, actually to show or presents that there is a adequate amount of volume, okay, in the suitable or appropriate areas on the face. So again, this is factor number four, for a beautiful skin. So it should be having a adequate amount of volume on the face, then only your skin will looks nice and beautiful. So again, as summary, so one is it should have glowing and shining skin. Second, the texture should be smooth. Number three, the color should be even, and that including that's not having any scars or pores. And then number four, it should be having good amount of volume, okay, at suitable places, so that you will be able to see the nice contour and nice shining. And number five, of course, it should have no redness or no pigmentations. Yeah, so any redness or pigmentation will bring a sort of like flaws on the skin, so it makes the skin looks not so beautiful. So these are the things, okay, as regarded as beautiful skin. But as a human, it is quite unlikely to be flawless. Yeah, but if you can as near to this skin character, then at least you looks beautiful than a lot of other people already. Okay, yes. So these are the simple principles. What are the beautiful skin are, okay? Then what will be the common skin problem or common facial skin problems, dealing in the beauty line? Okay, so of course, as what every one of our client, or let's say if you're in the beauty line, your client will come in as a concept or pre-concepts in their mind. Behind their mind, they will be thinking, I would like to have this kind of shining, glowing, even tone, no pores, no scar, no redness, no pigment, good volume, good firming, and also patient smelling with nice skin texture, very happy, very beautiful. So these are the ambitions that the client is looking at. But the patient may come in presenting to you, telling you, oh, they have these red dots or like pimples. They may have these black spots, like a pigmentation. There are multiple black spots or brown spots, with pigmentation. They may have a patch of pigmentation, irregular, even tone, uneven color tone, or irregular, sort of a dark pigment tone here. Or they may be having a nice facial features, but they may have irregular tones on certain area like nose, things like that. So this will be the common issue presenting in beauty line. But beauty line usually patient will have a milder sort of a severity when they're presenting to the beauty line. The thing is, the patient may think it is mild, but the problem patient having could be a little bit more advanced or a little bit more severe, which patient do not realize. So when the patient present to beauty line or beauty salon, so as the service provider in beauty line, we should be able to differentiate if there is not under the if the patient's problem is not under your sort of like capability, then probably you should ask the patient to look for medical treatment to solve their problem. If the problem is mild and sort of like minimal enough, then you can handle with any tools that you're having in the center. I think that is fair enough. Okay, yeah. So okay, there's questions from the audience. All right. So Sharing is asking, can we use serum to make beautiful skin? Okay. There is a lot of question like this. Okay, common. Yeah. At the end of a presentation, when you go through my presentation today, probably you have a better idea whether these questions is right or wrong. It has no right, it has no wrong. The answer it should be, a proper understanding should be is serum is helpful to make beauty skin, but it is not standalone. Meaning to say, it's not the only standalone. Sometimes serum itself cannot make the beautiful skin, but indeed it worsen the skin problem. And serum itself usually is, if it is able to make the skin more beautiful, but it may not solve all the issue or characters that we want. For example, we want to have better volume, we want to have better contour, we want to have a firmer skin, we want to have a certain condition like pigmentation lightening or the redness lightening. Serum may not be able to solve all the problem. Okay, so yeah, Sharing, I hope I can answer your question. So I hope that you can follow with us. I mean, afterward you will be understand more on how and what is actually the ideas or understanding we should have for having a good or beautiful skin. Okay, so this is for beauty line. And let's say for a medical line, okay, what are the common facial skin problems that we are dealing with in medical line? So what do you think? Yeah, what is the difference of a problem that we are dealing with medical line? Okay, not easy, okay, so in medical line we are dealing with more severe problematic things like more severe pigmentation, including melasma, very stubborn pigmentations. And we are dealing with a lot of this sensitive skin redness. Sometimes with underlying SLE, a lot of connective tissue disease, or patient presenting with hormone imbalance come with this presentation of rosacea. Yeah, so even we come with a lot of psychosocial impacted gentlemen or teenagers presenting with this scarring and acne issue, but they are having a low self-esteem, things like that. Yeah, or patient having a lot of these potentially high in risk of scarring after this post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation (PIH) of acne, and patient been squeezing, doing facial treatment and squeezing, and this leave out a lot of marks, and the acne is not settling, and the scar is adding on, and this give a lot of social, psycho, emotional impacts to the patient. And also we're dealing with a lot of old aging scars with aggravation of scar be together with the wrinkles. So this is a challenge of the skin problem that patient would like to deal with in medical line. And also we are dealing with a lot of this saggy face, with obvious laughing line, marionette lines, jowling, double chin, saggy skin, loose skin. So all these are the problems that we are dealing with in medical line. So it's actually more significant, more severe, and patient would like to look for more realistic or more assuring problem solving and real results. So if a patient do have a lower expectation, probably they are having milder problems, so they maybe look for treatment in beauty line. But again, of course, if your beauty center is having a capability to handle things, of course, it is okay and acceptable. But if it is not able to handle a bit severe condition, of course, we will advise patients to go for a proper consultations in medical line. Okay, yeah. So okay, here Sharing have a questions. How about consuming supplements like placenta? Okay, okay. These are also a lot of misleading or informations that I would say being provided in advertisement, and a lot of people have been talking it, and it's sort of like wow, magic portion, things like that, that after you took this supplement then your skin become fair, nice, glow, everything. Yeah. In fact, actually this is not the true, yeah, because most of the time I am dealing with a lot of patients who have been taking on the problems, whatever supplements or the products, eventually they are still having problems that they have. Yeah. So those supplements, those products, it may has its own function, but it's not a problem solving. Okay, it's not a problem solving for respective individuals. So we need to differentiate. Okay, so in medical line we are doing more problem solving. What is the presentation's problem, and what is the underlying cause for the problem, and then how to solve the problem with treating to the root cause. They will be able to cure or even give a lasting result, and also it gives the best outcome of the treatment or service, or the care, I mean the treatment itself. So these are the things that we look into. Yeah. So compared to a beauty line again, so milder cases, usually patient look for more on like relaxation, yeah, more on sort of like self-rewarding sessions, yeah, and also simultaneously to solve some of their minor issues, yeah. So these are the things. So ladies and gentlemen, if you do have problems on your skin, so lovely you get to know yourself, okay, how severe, how concerned you are, and if your problem is more problematic or more challenging, more serious, yeah, of course, the advisable place for you to look for treatment is in a medical line, in aesthetic field. Or if you are having just mild condition and also just like uneven, and you are not really care and so mind about that, and if you are just looking for some relaxation, and might as well you have, if the center do have some product or treatment suitable for you with no much of risk or side effects, then probably no problem to try that. Okay. So okay, so Sharon, okay, I hope I answer your questions. All right, thank you for your answers, all the questions. Okay. All right. So after knowing what are the services differences between the medical line and beauty line, of course, yeah. So every one of us, yeah, as ourselves, yeah, we would like to know a little bit more about skin structure. Maybe teacher didn't teach in the school, of course, yeah. Then we may be looking only at the products, what is suitable. The person tells all their benefits of product. They're trying to sell their products and maybe treatment. So of course they will be talking all the benefits, how this product works, how this product helps, what this product can do for what treatment, and it's sort of like, hey, it looks like something suitable for you, but in fact it may be not true, because when you really understand your skin structures, you can feel your own problems. Yeah, you can really more understand about why your skin having this problem. Let's say if you're having pigmentation, if you're having irregular color tone, or even pigmentations, yeah, or wrinkles, or sagginess, or dull skin, no glowing skin. So you will be able to understand more, because you can feel your skin, you see your skin every day. So you are the best person to judge what is the problem of your skin. Most likely you may not exactly know the problem, but at least you can know the characters of the skin, yeah, with how it present with the problem. At least from there, once you also understand your skin structures, then you will be able to roughly figure out what likely is the problems, yeah, causing your issues. That's why I'm bringing out this topic to benefit every one of you. After you know your skin structure, at least you have some basic idea, you know how to deal with it. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the skin structure actually comes in this diagram. Very simple for your understanding. You just divide your skin into outer layer, we call it epidermis, which is a dead skin layer, works as a function of barrier, protect the skin on the underneath part. Okay, and then we have underneath second deeper layer, we call it dermis, which contain all the we call it appendages, yeah, which including your sweat gland, your oil gland, your lot of glands. We have many glands, okay, and also your sensation, your dermis, your collagen, your nerves, your blood vessels are all inside the dermis. Okay, so simple to say, our skin only have two layers: outer layer, inner layer. Outer layer protect inner layer. Inner layer function to generate outer layer. So it works hand in hand. Yeah. So without outer layer, inner layer get damaged or injured or sort of irritation from external. Without inner area, without inner layers proper functioning, the outer layer also will break down easily and also will be having a problem to regenerate fast. Okay, so these are the coordination and hand in hands living together of dermis and epidermis, and this is the importantly is these two layer has to working in a harmony way so that it helps each other, and then your skin will be nice and beautiful. And of course the deeper layer, slightly deeper than the dermis, is called a subcutaneous, which is the fat layer, which giving our volume to our contour on the face. And that again is a very important layer that we should know. Yeah, it helps us to volumize, prevent saggy, and improve facial contour and lines so that the reflection and light reflection on the skin and the face is nice, and then the skin will look glow and yeah, smooth, or sort of like nice and smooth, silky in texture. Yeah, nice and smooth texture. Okay, so basic, these are the basic. You just need to get the understanding right. Okay, again I repeat, the proper understanding is we do have an outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer and inner layer works hand in hand to help each other. Inner layer help the outer layer by producing good quality of outer layers, and outer layers gives the feedback to the skin by protecting the inner layer, so that the inner layer can function properly. And when the function of the deeper layer function properly, and it can again generate a healthy layer on the barrier, and which is the epidermis, then the epidermis will be able to protect better on the dermis. So it goes on like this. Okay, so if you're having a problem of your epidermis, okay, then your protection will be weakened, then your dermis will also become irritated, then also some sensitive issues, some infections, things like that will go on. Then once it goes on, it started, then the epidermis will be weakened because the dermis is unable to produce, to generate new or good quality of epidermis, then the protection will be weakened. Once the protection is weakened, then your skin is dry, sensitive, gray, things like that. And then the weakened epidermis will further weaker in their protection of dermis, and the dermis will get even more irritated, and things will goes on like that. Okay, so once you understand this, you will most likely guess, okay, and understand by logic thinking, okay, why you are having your skin problem now. Okay, yeah. Okay, anyhow, so if you have any particular questions or your problems, you are welcome to ring us, make an appointment in our clinics to scan your skin. So at least we will be able to analyze your skin and let you know what is your problem, and how should you, are you in the sort of like vicious cycles of the skin problem with the epidermis and dermis sort of integration. If there is, then how to solve it, how to break it, how to reverse it. Okay, yeah. So okay, next we carry on. Lovely, now you already have an idea how to get what is considered beautiful skin, and lovely, what is the underlying principles of the skin that actually responsible, for your we call it beautiful skin. Okay, so Shannon has a question. Let's answer her question here. Need apply sunblock every day? Yes, of course. Yeah, you need to apply sunblock every day. Even though you're indoor, but you're exposing to a lot of these high-tech technologies. Now we are dealing with, every one of us are dealing with phone, computers, and our lighting in the room is also made all almost LED. Yeah. So this produce blue light. Blue light also can damage on our skin and causes aging. So it is highly advisable to apply sunblock throughout the day, every day, especially in the morning, to give your skin the best cover and protection. Not only UV light, we also want to protect from blue light. Okay. Sunblock very oily and easy breakout pimples. Sherin say, okay. Use a proper skin. How to use a proper skincare? Okay, understand your skin first. Okay, if you are unable to understand your skin, you can get to know your skin through us by analyzing your skin. Okay, And after understanding your skin, then you will know why your skin behave in such a manner, why you pop up pimples, why you have pigmentations, why you have pores, why you have wrinkles, yeah, all these things. Yeah. Once you understand, then you know what to do, okay, how to break through, how to rebalance. Yeah. Is your skin able to help with just skincare alone, or your skin problems need any other treatment besides skincare? Yeah, so we will look into the treatment one by one. So the treatment, at least you got some understanding of a treatment. At the same time, once you understand, the fundamental is understand your skin first. Once you understand your skin, and then on top of it, you understand what are the treatment, then at least you can use a proper treatment for your skin problem. Yeah, yeah. So these are the idea you need to know. So after you know all this, then you will be able to find out, okay, what is your problem, how to solve it, how to treat it, and you will be able to have a good, healthy, or beautiful skin. Okay. Okay. So a lot of people may be dealing at least with skincare in their whole life. So is the skincare the only hope, or should put all our hope into skincare? The answer is yes or no. Yeah, most likely no, because okay, most likely no one, because skincare alone, it works only up to the epidermis and only certain degree to dermis, but really not really functioning for the whole perspective of the factors that we want to have. Yeah, including the volume, including the deep dermis collagen. We want to have things that can also enhance all these aspects for the beautiful skin. Skincare is only for epidermis and dermis. You may see the effect. Probably if you put an oil on top of your skin, you also can see oily and not oily, shining and glowing. But that's not what we want. So some skincare, they may give you some improvement or sort of effect, but that is not a proper effect or healthy effect. It's just a products effect. Okay, so these are the things that we need to differentiate. If you put certain product and your skin looks nice, and after you wash off, the product disappeared, or the skin doesn't look nice, that is just a skin care or the products effect, not the skin effect. Okay, so these are the understanding that we should get right. Yeah. Okay, so skincare function, basically there are plenty many, but simple to say, skincare actually consists of mainly what you will use is a cleanser. Okay, cleanser, it should not go beyond the function of cleansing. It should be stay within the limits of cleansing. Means cleanser is to cleanse whatever dirt that you have on the skin. If you don't have a lot of makeups or concealers, or if you are putting a lot of other products on your skin, you would like to wash it off cleanly, then you probably have to choose a product that is actually suitable with the chemicals you're using. Some chemicals contain a little bit of, like we call it, uh, how to say, tinting effect. It tints up your skin, yeah, so it stick on with your skin for a longer period of time. It lasts longer. So your cleanser product should be able to dissolve this tinting or these chemicals. If your products you're putting on do not have any tinting effect, or don't have really something that actually sort of like stuck on it, and then a gentle cleanser, as in like cleansing up the dust or dirt on your skin, is good enough. Don't get misunderstand by a lot of advertisement, illustration, video, that the cleansing is like cleansing into your pores, cleansing into all the deep pores, deep oil. You want to cleanse it all. It is impossible. Yeah, if you're able to do so, then your oil will be very dry, and your epidermis will be even drier. Then your skin will get imbalanced already. Okay, so we have a question from AC Ng. Is that okay to use mask every day before sleep? Again, okay, mask is kind of like very commercial gimmicks that people use to sell. Yeah, especially Korea. When you go to Korea, you want to buy a lot of masks. When you put mask, while your skin toing toing glowing every day, wow, nice, beautiful. Okay, so these are the concepts. These are the understandings. Yeah, that commercials bring to us. But is that right or wrong? Okay, so face mask, if you use it in the appropriate frequency that you can tolerate, then it gives you a good effect. But if you use it every day, okay, if your skin can tolerate every day, then it's fine. But if your skin cannot tolerate, and if you're using still every day, then it will slowly bring problems to you. Imagine if you soak your hand Okay, every day. Okay, what will happen? Your hand is supposed God make it to be thicker in the skin layer that it has a better friction ability. You will be able to handle many things without irritation. If you use your face to wash dishes every day, impossible, right? If you use your hand to wash dishes every day, probably your hand still can tahan. Same idea. If you put mask on your face, you are like soaking your hand inside some water or contain things like that. Your skin will be quite moist at the beginning, but eventually it will over sort of acting over moist, over moist, and up to one point actually it may start to have fragile epidermis. Your dermis are having a lot of nutrients, but your epidermis will be fragile slightly over time. So that will be one of the concern that you have to take notes. Yeah. Okay. Again, Sherry said, can do scrub to deep cleansing skin. Okay. If you have thick skin like me, then you probably have to scrub to clean up. Then you see the glowing effect. Yeah. But our skin regenerate in averagely about 5 to 7 days. Some people generate faster, 3 to 4 days. Somebody generates slower, 7 to 10 days. Yeah. So try to keep your scrubbing gentle so that it doesn't penetrate deep that actually damage your dermis each time when you're doing scrubbing. And the frequency of scrubbing should be accordingly to how you feel your skin. If your skin slowly having no glowing effect, then you should you'll be able to roughly get the range of time that you interval that you can do the scrub. Meaning to say, let's say if you do scrub one time or maybe 1 or 2 times continuously, then you see effect already. And then you should stop. Don't continue doing it. Because if you continue doing it, then the whole thing will damage. For example, if you polish a diamond, polish, and it glow already. You want to polish further? No need already, right? Yeah. But after some time, the diamond will get dull again. And then you polish again. So this is the idea. So when you want to do scrub accordingly to your skin tolerability, don't over scrub it. All right. Okay, so facial cleanser should do its own job as cleansing enough. Yeah, not necessarily have to do extra job like cleansing to remove wrinkles, cleansing to remove pigment, cleansing to remove acne. Okay, the idea is wrong actually. Yeah, so after cleansing, of course, the most misunderstanding things are the toner or serum. Yeah, people been selling because they sells in such a way after you cleanse your skin needs to tones up so that your skin absorb. Your skin will get moist. So that your skin won't be so dry. But the thing is, if you use a lot of cleansing and you use a lot of your dermis get very fragile. You use more things, your epidermis more fragile, then if you use toner actually will sort of like makes vascularization stronger, more energetic on your skin. Then the toner will make your skin sort of like energized by itself. So in such a manner, your skin will look hydrated, glowing. Yes, but the thing is, if you energize your skin, then afterward you put serum, you put moisturizer, you are like adding on a lot of irritating ingredients on the skin. Then your skin will sort of like rejects it after some time. So these are the things that we do notice when we use products. Sometimes one product does not cause problem, but when you adding with some other products, it's starting to cause problem. And also certain products, it may not cause you problem in the meantime, but over some time your skin will become problematic due to the product. Because we have many people been saying that, oh, I've been using this product for many years, 5 years, 10 years, I have no issue with it. Yes, it doesn't mean it's not the product causes the problem. It is still the possibility there, because the problem slowly generating a weakening of your epidermis and generating the inflammation in your dermis. If you are having a product which is like having toner, serum, especially day and night cream, things like that, on and off, if you put mask, you are weakening your skin epidermis. Put more frequent, then you also can cause that, and then your skin become not suitable to the product anymore. And of course, if you are also aging, if you're using the product over some time, 5 years, 10 years, you are aging, everybody will aging, then your skin epidermis and your regenerating ability will become weaker over time. Then the product usage should be modified accordingly. Yeah, if not, then the problems will start to kick in. All right. So these are the ideas that I hope that more people can understand, so that you will be able to justify, yeah, product, when or what to choose. It will be better. Okay. Sharing got many questions today. How to remove blackhead and whitehead? Can do facial extraction. Please don't do. Okay, if you are a person having a lot of oil glands activity, a lot of oil, oily skin, imagine those oil will congest inside your oil glands and present as blackhead and whitehead. If you remove it, you will have cleaning, but the thing is the oil will congest again or produce oil again, then you will still have blackhead and whitehead again, right? Yeah. But the idea people be selling, yeah, people be selling you is like, or when you remove your blackhead and whiteheads, it reduce the congestion, you lose smoother, and reduce the infection. But the thing is, when you poke it out, you are actually creating a bigger hole, and also infection can set in easier. And then you're also damaging the area of the extraction. Then the skin damage will give a higher chance or risk for bigger acne afterward. So in general, we do not recommend extraction, but of course, you should have an other ways or alternatives to cleanse your blackhead or whitehead. Either use a proper combination of skincare or certain other medical range treatment which reduce there are something like suctions that can reduce the infections and congestion without hurting the skin. There will be even a better alternatives or options lah. Okay, so these are the factors. Maybe today I can't finish up everything. What about toner? You want to, I mean, toner, serum, mask, a lot of things. Yeah, but what I'm trying to say in summary is try to use product, okay, accordingly to what your skin behavior is. Don't overuse the product, especially cleanser, toner, yeah, serum or mask. Okay, those are the problem makers. And whenever you use product, you have to also use it accordingly to your skin over time. 5 years, 10 years, you have to understand your skin and when and what to choose, what to sort of like opt out, what to add in, yeah, when to stop, when to reduce. Things are important. Not saying that you have to use every day. Yeah, yeah. The most of the time is the problem started when you overuse certain product without you realizing, and then the skin become over responsive by the product that you have been using, and you still not realize, and then the problem start to kick in, and you starting to find even more products to treat the problem. Then things happens. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So besides skincare, what are the medical or science proven technologies for the skin beautifications? Here I summarize a little bit of ideas for every one of you. In medical line, we are also dealing with a lot of skin problems which related to internal health issue or disease. So then certain condition usually may need some combination of medication treatment, okay, or supplements treatment. Yeah. And of course, yeah, skincare, they are also grading between a dermaceutical, means a dermatological range, or cosmetic ceutical, means cosmetic range for beautification or for cosmetic purpose. So usually we do recommend skincare more on the dermatological base, which is based on the skin natural structure and behavior, so that the skincare is function to optimize the function of your skin and optimize the uh, beautification of your skin without necessary to depends on the ingredients of the product. Yeah, if you are depending on the ingredients of a product to beautify, means the product is actually supposed to call as cosmetic, right? Yeah. So for example, you put concealer, wow, nice. After you remove, no more, right? So that is cosmetic. So we should look for something that actually more on dermatological basis, which the skin ingredients is assisting the skin itself to get beautiful. So the beautiful prospect is from your own skin, not from the product's ingredients. Okay. Yeah. Of course, beside medication, supplement, and skincare, there are facial treatments that actually been also combination with a lot of arts in beauty line that actually helps the person to look refreshed, better skin, glowing, hydrated skin. Yeah, with combination of techniques or some tools. And then of course medical lines, yeah, it comes in with some injection techniques to improve the aging problems such as volume loss, wrinkles due to overacting muscles, and also certain new products. Serum contains a lot of polynucleotides, amino acids, vitamins, which may help the skin to get even improve better, in terms of collagen, fibroblast activation, collagen integration, hydration, hyaluronic acid regenerations, things like that. So injections is one of the technique, either contains volumizing, muscle relaxation for wrinkles, or nutrients to improve meso layer. So these are the things, technologies available. Of course, there are also some energy-based devices, like lasers, ultrasound, radio frequency, plasma technologies, wave technologies, muscle activator frequency technology, electromagnetic technologies. So these are the things available as energy-based to stimulate the skin, the fats, the collagens, the muscles, the ligaments, to improve the vascularization, the lymphatic drainage to improve, so that improve the skin behavior, skin environment. Okay. Of course, the last resort is always there, either by a plastic surgery treatment to reconstruct or to rebuild whatever damage on the skin. Okay. So these are the available ranges of the treatment, and our meaning to say we should understand all this, because or else you may close your mindset and your scope of view, where if you're looking to beautify your skin problem, without understanding your skin issue, you probably will get influenced a lot. If you understand your skin problem, probably you may not easily influence, but you still may be influenced. So if you want to influence, at least you influence by your own understanding, where you should know, or their medical treatment, medication, supplements, skincare, surgery, injection, laser, energy-based, or facial treatment. Which one's suitable for you? Not influenced by people telling you, oh, they have this facial lift treatment, wow, very nice, and you thought everything on your face can be solved by that particular only one treatment. Not not in such a way lah. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to emphasize for every one of you. As a consumer, you should be able to have this proper understanding and knowledge, to protect yourself, so that you know what to choose, how to choose, for the best benefits of yourself. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so how to get beautiful skin in summary? Okay, know your skin and know your anatomy first. If you are unable to really get to know your skin, so you can always consult a doctor, so that you can, like us, we can help you to understand and analyze. Once you get your skin, once you understand your skin better and your skin behavior better, at least you will be able to adjust the treatment or the facial skincare, whatever you are using, accordingly to the skin behavior. That would be the best. Then, of course, you can also get to know more about what are the tools available. As I mentioned just now, what are the medication, what are the treatment, what are the facial treatment, what are the energy-based treatment, what are the even surgery treatment, whatever, available. Getting to know is not harm. I'm not saying that you must do, but getting to know is actually a kind of informations and a kind of knowledge for you. You may probably understand it more. At least you can explain it better to your husband, to your wives, to your relatives, to your friends. If they are looking for certain treatment like this, at least they can have a proper understanding and proper analysis, or sort of like consideration before they did their decision to do any treatment. Okay, so once you understand what are the available options, and also what is your skin, then come together how to solve the problems. Okay, of course, you need to have someone that's skillful, knowledgeable, and also experienced enough to really bring these two things together. Means your problems and your necessary treatment. What are the tools that actually function to solve your problems? Okay, so these are our jobs. Okay, so we are the problem solvers. You can look for problem solvers that actually can solve your problems. Once you understand your skin anatomy better, or analyze your problems, once you get the idea right, then you can understand about tools, then you will find which tools will be suitable or you can consider or which is acceptable. Then when the person you consult with to solve your problem, at least the person be able to analyze all the informations related to you that bring the link, yeah, in between your problems and your tools necessary to treat. Okay, then we call it solving the problem. Yeah, in such a way, then only you will be able to be benefiting the most out of the whole thing, and then you will be avoiding yourself to go through a lot of these unnecessary sort of like wrong mistakes, yeah, that you probably had. Yeah, everyone may have some experience buying wrong products or certain treatment maybe no effect, or maybe certain treatment you regretted after treatment because it caused you some problem. So you can avoid all this if you understand. If you understand, it gives not only yourself but people around you to benefit more. All right. So this is the idea why I do the live here, so that more people will be able to understand and then to know what to do and also what to decide. Okay. For the best outcome, for the least side effects. All right. So almost coming to the end. Thank you again. I'm Dr. Jeff from Revival Clinic. Thanks and nice meeting every one of you. And thank you everyone for all your questions, Sharon, AC, yeah, San, yeah. So I welcome again every one of you to join our Facebook Live on every Wednesday. Yeah, next Wednesday I will not having Facebook Live because I will be attending in the 8TV Living Delight show for a live show talk about health issue. I think the topic is about vitamin D, okay, supplementation of vitamin D. A lot of people still didn't know about vitamin D and also importance of vitamin D, okay. So if you're interested, you can keep the date, okay, block the date and watch our TV show at 2 to 3 p.m. It's a live show, so in Mandarin. So if you would like to know more and keep the time, okay, is on 28th of September lah, next Wednesday, okay. So again, I thank you for everyone who spend your time together with us here in Facebook Live, and I hope you benefit at least some information from my talks, okay. If you are interested to get to know more, yeah, regarding your own problems or your friends, yeah, you can screenshot. Okay, let me make it bigger. You can screenshot this context, yeah, so that you can share to your friends and also you can share to your relatives, yeah, or yourself. Yeah, keep yours for yourself in the future. Call us at 017-781-5237. And also you can also visit our website and drop us our email. Our clinic is currently at Revival Clinic Kota Kemuning. Yeah, so this is our contact. Thank you again, yeah, for joining us our live today, and thank you. Okay, see you again. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.